select Kalpvriksha was that nowadays all the conventional schools are losing its essence of teaching. I mean, it's more of making people ready for the competition, whereas we believe that the main essence of teaching is to make a good human being.
The princess is that son of mine, the king shall be. That son of mine, the king shall be. The most beautiful maiden that's brought to me by one of you, the princess is that son of mine, the king shall be.
So we've had a wonderful experience with the school. The teachers have been very caring and been giving attention to smallest of my child's need. And I think sometimes I lack a lot of patience, but I see teachers being really patient with every kid.
Okay, I'm the parent of the grade 2 child, Adit Patani. I have just enrolled him for this coming year. Very, very happy from last 6 months, 8 months. I could see the tremendous changes in Adit. He has mellowed down, he has become very quiet. He has started, relating back to his feeling.
ॲक्च्युली स्वतःमध्ये म्हणजे आम्ही ॲडमिशन घेतल्यापासून जे काही डेव्हलपमेंट बघितलं म्हणजे ज्या काही एक्स्ट्रा करिक्युलर ॲक्टिव्हिटी आणि सोशल ॲक्टिव्हिटीजमध्ये ते भाग घेतात, डेव्हलप होतात दुसऱ्या मुलांमध्ये आणि नॉर्मल करिक्युलमपेक्षा वेगळा अभ्यासक्रम असल्यामुळे मुलांना ऑलराऊंड एज्युकेशनमध्ये जास्त सहभागी केलं जातं.
Who gives light to us, help me to see with my heart I pray. Dear Saint Odelia, who gives.
I am a grade 2 parent. My son's name is Ruben. My son has been here for the last 2 years. We moved from a traditional school, ICSE board school, where he studied for 3 years, and then he joined Kalpvriksha in grade 1. Initially, I was a bit apprehensive about the school because we didn't know the philosophy, how this is going to work, and the location here, the infrastructure. But when I heard Priyanka ma'am talk and her confidence about the whole the school, I was like 100% convinced that this is the place we should be.
माझ्या मुलीला मी पाहते मोठं होताना पाहिलं या शाळेमध्ये. म्हणजे ती फक्त 2.5 वर्षाची होती जेव्हा आम्ही या शाळेत आलो आणि आज ती 6 वर्षांची आहे. तर गेल्या 4 वर्षांचा प्रवास, तिची काय प्रगती झाली ह्याची मोजमाप नाही करणार मी, पण तिच्या वागण्या बोलण्यातले जे काही, तिच्या व्यक्त होण्यातले जे काही बदल आहेत ना, ते मी एक पालक म्हणून जवळून बघते आणि ते खरंच मला मनोमन सुखावतायत.
नर्सरी, ज्युनियर, सिनियर आतापर्यंत 4 वर्षाचा प्रवास आम्ही कल्पवृक्षमध्ये आमच्या मुलीने गाळवला आहे. एक शाळा म्हणून जी आमची अपेक्षा होती, एक मुलाचं बालपण बघण्याची जी आमची इच्छा होती, आकांक्षा होती, ती ह्या कल्पवृक्ष शाळेने खूप जास्त परीने पूर्ण केलेली आहे. म्हणजे सुंदर असा प्रवास होता. मुलं स्वतःमध्ये ती स्वतः डेव्हलप होत गेली आणि त्याच्यासाठी शाळेने खूप मेहनत घेतली आहे. शाळेच्या टीचर्स, आधीच्या टीचर, आताच्या टीचर किंवा शाळेच्या ताई आणि प्रियंका टीचर स्वतः.
Choosing school for my daughter, the important aspect for me was to feel a connect with the teachers, founders, and the education system that the school is following. And I think I chose Kalpvriksha because of this, not only because it follows Steiner education, but because the way they are teaching, the methodology that they are following while teaching. If you'll have a look at the Mela or annual day or any group activity that has been taken so far, you will see how much the kids enjoy and how much they are like enthusiastic about the whole thing. And for me, my 4-year daughter, when she doesn't want to miss the school, even when she is sick, speaks volume about the love and warmth she receives in the school. I'm so happy that we made this choice.
best thing that has been happening to my child as of now, because I have an elder one also to see what is the difference in this age group and the elder age group also. So I'm very happy with the school, very much content with the school, and I would love to thank the whole Kalpavruksha team for bringing up such a valuable thing to the society, a school to the society, a system to the society.
माझी मुलगी तिचं जे चाइल्डहुड आहे ते एन्जॉय करता करता ती शिकेल आणि अशा पद्धतीची शाळा आम्ही आधी खूप शोधत होतो आणि मग आम्हाला आमच्या नशिबाने म्हणा पण आम्हाला ही कल्पवृक्षाची जाहिरात मिळाली की इथे इथे आहे अशी स्कूल कांजूर मार्गला. कल्पवृक्षमध्ये जायला लागल्यापासून तिला शाळेत जायची ओढ लागली की मला स्कूलमध्ये जायचं आणि ती स्वतः रेडी व्हायला लागली. त्यात प्रियंका मॅम इतक्या सुंदर बोलतात, एकदम हळुवारपणे, त्यात आपलेपणाने बोलतात. म्हणजे त्या प्रिन्सिपल आहेत असं काही वाटलंच नाही अभिश्रीला. त्यामुळे तिला तिचा मॅमशी प्रियंका मॅमशी खूप कोपअप व्हायला खूप बरं पडलं आणि त्यामुळे तिला तिचे जे काही विचार होते ते बाहेर पडायला पण खूप तिला सोपं पडलं.
It's very easy to make children learn how to earn money, but it's very difficult to teach them humanity, teach them humbleness, patience, and most important maturity, which I feel that this school is very much capable of teaching them.
तो आता ग्रेड 1चा विद्यार्थी आहे कल्पवृक्षाचा आणि मी अशा पॅरेंट्समधून एक आहे की जे कल्पवृक्षाच्या सुरुवातीच्या वर्षापासून कल्पवृक्षाचा जर्नी आतापर्यंतचा बघत आहोत. आणि आता जेव्हा आम्ही किंडरगार्टनचा क्लासरूम बघतो ना, एवढ्या साऱ्या मुलांनी भरलेला आणि आमच्या वेळेस होती फक्त 3 मुलं. आणि आमचं एक असं आहे की कल्पवृक्षाची एकही मुलं तुम्हाला कुठल्याही बाहेरच्या विना क्लासला जाता तेवढ्याच ठामपणे इव्हन त्यांच्याशी बेस्ट ॲज कम्पेअर्ड टू देअर ते लोक बेस्ट परफॉर्म करतात, अकॅडमिकली पण आणि एक्स्ट्रा करिक्युलर मध्ये पण.
Hello, I'm Rasika Randad. I'm a teacher here and a parent. By profession, I've been a civil engineer, but after my daughter's birth, I've chosen to opt a teaching field. Something which makes this kindergarten different from other school is it caters to the children's need. It doesn't force them to sit at one place and mug up things which doesn't make any sense.
I've been teaching in Kalpavruksha this year, and I've always been teaching. Probably from my college time, I've been giving tuitions, and then I was teaching in other schools. In Kalpavruksha, we focus along with the Waldorf curriculum. We also see that it is more child-friendly and it is more with the nature and the surrounding. So the things that we try to bring to the child is something what the child knows and makes him more aware about the surrounding that he is in.